to Coffee Break with the Vince May team. We're back at Fairview Avenue in Havertown. This is Rescom's latest renovation project, and absolutely everything in the home has been renovated. This home will be hitting the market this week, so keep an eye out for the listing. Let me just say that again. This home will be hitting the market this week, so keep your eye out for the keep those eyes out. All right.